back to my beauty world. It's your girl Oma here again today. Welcome back to my channel. And if today is your first time of stopping by on my YouTube channel, thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you and I appreciate all the love and support. Right into the video. So in today's video is going to be about Neem face masks. It's a wonderful mask. Like, I've used this mask for a very long time and the result has been so great. Like, when I go out, people ask me, what do you use on your face? So that's why I decided to share it to my to my wonderful family on YouTube here. So I want to talk about a little bit about this neem powder, what it can do for you, and how you can use it for your face masks. So neem powder is a wonderful herb that can be used in so many ways. You can drink it, you can eat it, and you can also apply it to your skin. It is good. It can help to heal wound in the skin, and it can also help you to get rid of that stubborn acne, treat that rash, and also properties can help heal wounds. In fact, neem is everything that you can think of, and the best part of it is that this wonderful herbs is easily available. Like, you can use the fresh one or you use the powdered one like so, or yeah, because where I am I couldn't get the fresh one, but the powdered one is what is available for me right now, so that is why I'm using it. Neem is rich in essential fatty acid and vitamin E that can help penetrate deep into the skin to treat dryness and also boost collagen production, which gives you a younger and a youthful looking skin. Yeah, you heard me right. So neem is also rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. That is what makes it to heal the skin and leave your skin flawless without much effort, and is very beneficial in treating acne, itching, and rashes. It treats every harmful bacteria and hydrates your skin. This is a highly recommended, like, I recommend this treatment for everyone that is prone to acne. So let's go right into preparing